Good morning, student. Today we will do practicals of your standard 5 Word, MS Word. We will do some practicals. In this practical, we will learn how to make logo using shape, word art, okay, and using color. How can we make a logo? We will try to make our school logo. How can it possible? We will start it now. Open chapter 4. Chapter 4, advanced feature of word processor. Okay, so we'll do practical of it. Okay, now we'll start. First we will open MS Word. I have already opened here. Okay, it is MS Word screen. How to make our school logo. Okay, for this you have to click on first insert. Okay, then go to word art. In this word art section, first, second, third number have you seen word art written there, and it is little curve style. Click on here. Okay, now you see that a window coming here, written your text is here. First I put cursor here and press backspace to delete it, or simply click delete key. Now type the caps lock undo, then type our school name. Look, I am using on-screen keyboard. E E N T, government, space S C H O O L, school. Then here some sign put. Okay, I am putting colon sign where everything. Or you may put equal to sign here also, and write Bhuvanipatna, and write BHAWANIPA. Okay, Bimla Primary School, Bhuvanipatna. After that, one more equal to sign. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, now I'm on screen keyboard off doing. Now this one, hold down the left mouse button and drag it down, but not coming here. So what to do? Right click on, or in your word art tools, you see that what text wrapping is there. In your text wrapping is there. Have you a doc sign is there? Small doc sign on your screen. On there, click on here, and from this pop-up menu, you will choose behind text. You will do behind text. Have you seen behind text? My pointer is there already. Click on here. After that, you can drag it to anywhere because it is behind the text. Okay, like this coming. After that, you see that yellow color one is there. This is called handles. This is called handle, and hold down the left mouse button and drag it down. Drag it down. As you seen it, and have you seen a dotted line are there? It will nearly touch each other. Okay, just touching this one, leave it. Okay, after that your screen will become like this. After that, what to do? In here, small square have you seen every side? So put on one square, it will become double head arrow. Have you seen it? Now hold down the left mouse button and drag it left hand side. Clear? It will become like this. Okay, and up also some do. Here also like this come, double arrow. Hold down the left mouse button, drag it up. Okay, to make it a perfect circles. Okay, this much size I want, so I am doing it. Okay, now it will become a circles. You can drag it anywhere by holding the left mouse button. Okay, just I am keeping here. Have you seen it? So I think it will little bit up again go to make it a complete circles. Okay, circle making. You can make it small size also, drag it down. This one also drag it down up little. This one coming bottom, I have to take up. Top of the page I will keep. Okay. Anywhere you can keep. After that, what to do? Bimla Convent School, but it is not in position. This Bhuvanipatna I have to keep it down at the bottom. At the bottom portion I have to keep. So I just click left mouse button, then it will be selected. After that, you see that green color button right there. This is for rotation. I hold down the left mouse button, then drag it left hand side or right hand side. Drag it right hand side little. When Bhuvanipatna come, not coming yet. So here it is rotate button, click it. Okay, now it is exactly coming down, but our circle is not in shape, it is oval shape. So we have to here take it a little bit up to. You see that it will become perfect circles. It is perfect circle becoming. After that, it is coming down. Again, we will take back. Okay. Then insert. Click on insert and go to shape. Go to shape. Shape. Then in here you see that some circle is there. Have you seen oval written there? Click on here and drag it, holding down the left mouse button. Holding down left mouse button and making a circle. I'm making a circles. Okay. Making a circles. Make it circles, proper circles. It is becoming. Then keep over this your text. Okay. So my one is not little bit more. Okay. After that, go to the text wrapping or text wrapping, and behind what to do? Right click on there and order. Have you seen order? Send back. Send back. It will go. Order. Send to back. Not coming yet. So it will bring to order. Bring to front. Order. Bring to front. I think problem is okay. Not coming yet. Okay, do one thing. Here, send to back. Send behind text. Okay. Now this one select and order. Bring. Okay, bring in front of text. Now it is coming. Okay. Okay. Here little bit put downside. Okay. Now adjust this point. Adjust according to your this bibliography select little bit down. Okay, now you can drag it here also little. Control Z2. Okay, now insert another circles. Insert, save, and do another circles. So here it is. Perfect circles. Make it. Mold it into. Okay, we'll put it. Okay. Now we have to put some clip art open. Now in here insert clip art. Insert clip art. Insert clip art, and in here right select selection or search for education. Right, education, right, education. For this I am using on screen keyboard EDU education. I am typing here and go to. Okay, you will see that some education photo are there. From that this photo I want to insert. Click it here. After that drag it here. But this one also what to do? Text wrap, and in here send behind text. Okay, now we can take it anywhere. Here I am keeping. Go. And this one order. Okay, this one bring to front. Right click do and bring to front do. Text wrapping in front of text to, in front of text. Now it will come, I think, in middle. Okay, center coming. Now keep it here. Okay, in middle coming. After that you can color it. After that select the circles and go to user outlook. Okay, and you may go to home button and fill color. Or do right click here, select this one big circle and format auto save. In here fill color nothing is there, you can choose any color. I am choosing blue color. Click OK, it will become like this. And after that this one also you choose and right click do on there and what to format auto save. Then fill color having part 1. Okay, fill effect also you can do it. Diagonal from center, from center I am choosing 2 colors. 2 color also there. Preset also there. Preset also various presets also there. Early sunset, nightfall. I am choosing nightfall, and middle one I am choosing. Then click on OK. Now our school logo is ready. Okay. School logo is ready. In this way we can insert and do it. Okay, you can make it, I think so.